Welcome to this video on arrays in C++. Arrays are a fundamental concept, and we'll break them down to make learning easy. What is an array? Simply put, an array is a collection of elements of the same data type, stored in consecutive memory locations. In an array, each element is accessed using an index or subscript. Importantly, indexing in C++ arrays always starts at 0. To use an array, you must first declare it with a data type, name, and size. You can also initialize values at the time of declaration. Memory allocation for an array is calculated by multiplying the size of the data type by the number of elements in the array. Array traversal means accessing each element of the array at least once, often using a for loop for input or output. Strings in C++ are essentially character arrays. A null character, \0, is stored at the end to signify the end of the string. When storing strings, remember to allocate enough memory for all characters plus 1 extra byte for the null terminator. Standard SYN stops reading at a space. To read a string that includes spaces, you should use the gets function instead. To display string data on the monitor, you can use the puts function, which handles string output efficiently. To summarize, arrays provide continuous memory for same type data, always use zero-based indexing, and have specific input and output methods.